Good morning, God's people. I just woke up to a Bible verse. It says First Corinthians 10:31. So whenever you eat or drink or whenever you do all for the glory of God. And what does this mean, you may ask? Well, it's kind of simple answer to a question that most of us ask, Lord. Like we say, is this sin, Lord? Is this sin, Lord? Is this gonna be sin, Lord? No. He's kind of saying like, well, you might better ask, is this gonna glorify God? And that's actually true. You should ask yourself that question because your eyes are focused on the wrong thing. So you should better ask yourself, is this gonna glorify God rather than is this gonna be sin? I hope that's for today. And I'm still new to this spreading gospel video, so if you wanna give me suggestions or how to get better, new equipment and stuff like that, then feel free to share it out. May God bless you. See ya.